Welcome back. Doing the electronics part now. Kind of winging it. Don't really know what I'm doing too much. But I got one of the stepper motors to work. I'm using a Centroid Acorn board. Seems to be pretty decent. Here's the screen for it. The router version. It's supposed to be a touchscreen, but I haven't bought one yet. So you should be able to just, this part will be a touchscreen buttons. But I'm using a mouse now. I was surprised how expensive touchscreens are. But bought a used computer from the local store. I just have it hooked up to the TV monitor now because I had it out here. So connects to the computer through the Ethernet port right into there. This board comes with its own power supply. It's a dual voltage one. It does 24 volts and 5 volts. We're not actually using the 5 volt, just the 24 volt as of now. And I'm using stepper online hybrid stepper motors, so they have a little bit of feedback. Should be more accurate and should alarm out if it missteps instead of the other type. They have more wires though. This is all. I don't think if you didn't have the encoder on it, you wouldn't need any of these, but that, and then power supply. So the power supply drives this, or powers this. This drives the stepper motor, and then these top wires are for signals. This board just goes off step in direction, I think it's called. So it's pretty much right here, the direction, and the pulse I think is the step. I have it set for 4,000 pulses per revolution, I think it is. Well, I was getting sort of frustrated a while ago, and then still not entirely sure why it works, but it does now. So hopefully I can do that 3 more times. I can type in a little. Oh, I just hit rapid. Oops. Rapid. This is the x-axis now. These are actually pretty quiet motors. Can't even hardly hear it if I don't have it echoing off the bench. Oh yeah, no, it's pretty quiet. Then, oops, just type in a little feed move, and then, oops. There, should work, I think. I told it to move 20 inches in the, up 10 inches in the X, so it should move. I believe I have to calibrate that still, because I think there's a spot in the program to, or in the setup part to, so you can speed the override up to 200%. Now we're at 40 inches a minute. Oh, we're done. Anyways, I think there's a spot in the setup wizard, it's called, where you can tell them the pitch of the lead screw. Just 12 millimeters per revolution. But I gotta figure that out still. And the Z is different, I believe, a different pitch. But yeah. I got this box in the mail yesterday. Be kind of a tight fit. It seemed like it would be bigger when I bought it, but Should fit, I guess. I think I'm gonna stack these like that, so I can still, well, there'll be 4 of these, and it'll be stacked up, and I can still reach all the terminals. There'll be 4 of these, the board, there's another relay board, and then that smaller power supply, but should fit. If I ever get a new spindle with the VFD, I'll have to have that probably in its own cabinet, but I read those put out a lot of heat anyway, so it might be better to have it in its own cabinet. That's the progress so far. I don't know, just kind of winging it, I guess. Would have been a lot easier just to buy their electronics, but the Centroid seems to be pretty neat. That'd be kind of cool to learn it, so. And it actually has encoders in it. Well, the steppers do, but I don't know. Should be better. That'd be a good learning experience too, I guess, so. Thanks for watching.